At Auterion, we care about providing both enterprises and governments with an ecosystem of software-defined drones, payloads, and third-party applications within a single, easy-to-use platform based on open standards. I'm Kevin Sartori, co-founder of Auterion, and today we're really excited to announce our partnership with Esri, the world leader in GIS software. With the integration of the side scan applications into the Auterion platform, enterprises and government users can rely on a comprehensive mapping workflow, from camera to the cloud, using an ecosystem of US-made drones powered by Auterion. The first of such systems is the Freefly Astro, which we just released last week, paired with the high-resolution Sony Alpha 7R4 camera. We're excited to see how this partnership will enable operators in the utility, energy, infrastructure, land management, and civil engineering fields with a mapping platform to streamline their workflows and keep them secure. With each partner that joins our ecosystem, customers have access to enhanced functionality, some more vehicles, apps, and integrations, all enabling the extension of our drone system over time. Our recent partnership announcement with Freefly, Sony, and now Esri truly display the power of our ecosystem to deliver the most value to the customer.